today we brought out the big guns, the three-legged port. You already know what it is. I'm Phase of the Triple Z. Preps. So the plan was to cook hard meat, red meat, and pommes. Show some slabby and make it to the middle part because it'll take a while. So this is the setup. So I thought I was a mathematician of Mapoto Apas because I couldn't find the telefood thing that pot balancer, if you may. So got some kind of a pot stand with the bricks that you saw me carry earlier. Yeah, as you can see, things so my mom had to come and help me out. To be honest, she did the majority of everything. Business end, that's the truth. So, of course, the baby hadn't been washed for a while, so we had to clean it up. Liaras are quite a bit. No. Got the expert. Ngaphandle nje sokumane wendela nje aesthetic. Inivele lesitodla don't wanna lie. So this is the Russell hops of the three-legged pod standard. It's bush baby. You already know what it is. I was very excited for this. But I also learned that it's a lot of work. Behold the baby. Hey, look at them hips though. Hey, she's shining. Hey, don't tell me you don't see her. Ach. Come with it. Come on with it. Yes, sir. So yeah. So washing of the pot is done. Now the fire must start. Now starting gutters. So look. No, sir, I go cut it. Cut it ago. Kukotitshwa kuphi kani kude bo-Russell Hobbs kumhlanga unezimpisi. There's also, I need a gym. Please suggest places where I can go and exercise. I told you about that fire steezy. So my dad came through. He said, yeah, what you're doing. Just watch the magic that he'll do in the pit. He showed us how it's done. My mom's definitely a far-star, so better than me. But just keep watching. Also, shout out to you for seeing this, because I'm pretty sure I didn't market it or anything. You can show me some love by subscribing. This is not a vlog or anything of that sort. I'm just taking you through the process of kupheka phasi when you were born and bred in Manzini. Uni, I don't wanna lie. Shout out to people that do this every day. Definitely can't be me. Bobby. Now this is a definition of a healthy fire. This is what I was telling you about. What I did learn is that now basa umlilo waphasi. Nope. Leti ngoni ungati hlanganisi on some make it neat or whatever. It's like the logs are supposed to meet at a perfect center point. or whatnot, and that's basically what's happening here. So yeah, and of course my primary job was to just record the content, so I was trying really hard. Apologies on the visuals, I don't have lighters yet, but when I do, you will know about it. Shout out to this guy, shout out to God, bro. So this big I get beef, like I said. That's it then. Ah, I'm not even gonna speak on that. So the trick is that no pega, we have to salt the meat. It's not even jet, don't even wait for it to boil, because that way it better soaks the salt and that'll make the taste and flavor of the meat come out best. So just pay boil and boil, as my mom always says. There's boiled meat and then there's a boil and boil. So this is a vegetable chopper spin thingy that we use of late, and yes, sinews, man. You just dice up your whatever, put it in there, lock it up, then pull a string, and then there you have it, fine chop. Like within a few seconds. For my 6 pulls, then you're good. I of course didn't take a lot of the footage because it got really lit, and then food was just getting a bit much, so we can't take this pot in the house, so we had to transfer it into another pot. Don't worry, I cleaned it up later and sort of let the bush baby iphole kancane because angikhona ukuyiwasha, so but also ngekho kuyifayendlini because ngiyawashisa ama-tiles, you know what I mean. That's the meat falling off the bone, you know how we do it. The end.